2025 is a defining year for Europe's maritime sector. The IMO's new net zero framework, the EU's port strategy, and Malta's own Vision 2050 and the forthcoming National Maritime Strategy together, they set the tone for how we shape the next chapter of European shipping. Competitiveness and sustainability are often treated as if they pull in opposite directions. But the truth is, they are two sides of the same coin. If Europe wants a strong, future-proof maritime industry, it must recognize that a competitive Europe is a sustainable Europe, and vice versa. And that's where Malta can lead by example. We may be a small island, but we're one of the world's largest shipping registries. Our reputation has been built on credibility, efficiency, and trust, not by accident, but by consistency. Our goal now is to keep that edge in a changing world, with greener fuels, digital innovation, and smarter port infrastructure. Because decarbonization doesn't weaken competitiveness, it defines it. Take our shore-to-ship power project at the Grand Harbour, the only one of its kind in the Mediterranean. That investment didn't just cut emissions, it reinforced Malta's position as a modern, forward-looking maritime hub. And now, as it expands to the free port, it shows that sustainability and competitiveness can grow hand in hand, when vision meets action. But to keep this momentum, Europe must do its part too. We need less red tape and more room for innovation. We need regulatory stability that rewards those who invest early. And we need financing tools that reach SMEs, the real backbone of EU shipping. Because competitiveness isn't protected by speeches, it's protected by smart policy and timely decisions. In Malta, we've seen how partnership works. When regulations threatened to overburden our tug operators, we worked through the Delegated Act and fixed it. That's what acting in the national and European interests looks like. So as Malta finalizes its new maritime strategy and the EU rolls out its industrial maritime agenda, let's remember what makes us competitive. Clarity, competence, and the courage to act. Because in the end, the strength of EU shipping won't be measured by how many reports we write, but by whether our ports, our people, and our fleets can lead the world. Malta will keep doing its part, staying agile, credible, and ambitious, so that Europe remains a global leader at sea. Because the legacy we leave must be a maritime Europe that doesn't just stay afloat, but sets the course for others to follow.